Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to Mid-Market Review. It's been a strong session for Indian equity market so far as both the Sensex and the Nifty are trading at 3 months highs, led by buying in IT, banking, and a few telecom stocks. We have the RBI monetary policy tomorrow, and its outlook on future rate cuts will actually decide what direction the markets could go in the near future. Analysts are of the view that a 25% rate cut has been discounted by the markets, and Bank Nifty is currently up by around 1.5%. Nifty is currently trading up by around 72 points at 6,001 levels, and the Nifty has in fact crossed the 6,000 level for the first time after February 4th, and the Sensex is trading up by around 245 points at 19,747. Let's look at some banking stocks. ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, Yes Bank, all up by around 1.5%, and amongst PSU banks, SBI is going strong as it is up by around 2.5% as of now. In telecom stocks, Bharti Airtel announced its Q4 numbers, and the results were a little disappointing on the PAT front as the net profit fell to around 509 crores from the rupees 1006 crore reported a year earlier. This was mainly because of higher depreciation and interest costs. The stock opened down by around 3.5%, but most of the losses have been recovered, and Bharti Airtel is currently trading almost on flat basis right now. Also, we had sales of auto companies sales numbers of auto companies that have been reported, and the sales numbers have been quite sluggish in April, after 9 of India's leading passenger vehicle manufacturers reported decline in sales of around 9% from its figures last year. The key gainers in the Nifty so far have been TCS, Reliance Infra, M&M and Infosys, and the major losers so far in the index have been Tata Motors, HUL, GAIL, Kane India and Bharti Airtel. That's it, friends, from the Mid-Market Review. We'll catch you in the post-market session. Thank you and a nice trading day.